Y'all been great playing the real crap. You know, all this radio crap, this flower crap you've been hearing, and TLC, condoms on your eyes and all that crap. I'm not with that. Yeah! You listen to the sounds of the one Rhythm X. The man! I'ma show you how to get right. The right way, not the wrong way. Watch me when I do this. Pay attention. Check it out. Shut up, step back, that picky, pecky, wacky rap. Your whole flow is over and your rhymes all is over with. In fact, bacon, you'll take it as a big of this. I come walking your soul like David Berkowitz. Make you think you're swimming like the homie Mark Spitz. How could you put up a fox against an alligator? I drill your crew one by one like an alligator. I make you heavy man light, turn a black kid white. Bust a rhyme in the rectum, squeeze it tight. A rickshaw like Rock the Ricky Ricka, crusher, stomper, another brother. I make MCs go hey ho, hey ho. Look at me now, what's up, hey Joe? You say you're bad but good, but soft as awkward. Perpetrating wild when you're coming from no hood. I wipe your style like doo-doo when I beat ya. Treat you like an old Barbara school teacher. Like my son, did your mother tell you? Pee-pee's on the rise while the ex gotta smell you. You know me, I know you. You dropping legs on the record, the smell like doo-doo. You'll get back. I rock styles on top of another funky child. I kick your rhymes so swift and make your girl smile. You better go off and think, cause I'm your father. You're black, go back, step back, you whack. 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 Check it, 1, 2, you don't want to step 2. Crazy psycho patient from the Bronx coming at you. I get hyper and deep, funky freaky flex. Bust my style, get wild, flow like Rhythm X. People know that whack, in fact I'm coming back black. But some stupid styles on the clowns with the maps out. You say you're good with the mic, man I wonder why. You think I'm sleeping, but y'all was gone Betty by rappers on my T-head. Quick to stick in New York, everywhere I go ho, never ride and I walk. You think you fly, don't try, you like the penis bee. I ride a rhyme to Mars and go to Phoenixy. Take you on a trip and make you bug out. Seek out, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, whole week out. Check it, watch it, back up, slow down. The same way you blow up, I make a rapper go down. I make you quit rap and try to keep with Bobby Brown. Slide and glide, boogie down like James Brown. Never will I say I. Watch me when I do that. When I grab the mic and rock, watch them say, who that? I know my tongue is long just like a lizard. Can you drop the mic, respect the funk wizard? I know you're breaking your neck to hear the X stuff. Back to burn your Sam, you ain't the X rough. I look at millions of groups and tell them get back. You're black, go back, step back, you whack. 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 Third prime, so you're rockin' won't spread the rumors. Your rap has been played like straight boomers. You're busted. I kick your style so rugged they're making robes wet. Change the panties and bras and make a dollar bet. Never will I stop, I got the target on your anus. Your preschool style, kindergarten not the same as I rock, you can't, this ain't your place to be. I make you cry, kid, cover your face to me. I'm not the one, fairy tale like Patti LaBelle. My job is easy when I'm dragging them down the hell. You know my story when I'm throwing you off the cliff. Them jelly rhymes on the table with Skippy and Jeff. I see these suckers better find another game plan. I never heard of you stupid. What's your name, man? Don't try to come back, we cut your hair bald B. Jump on my tip when you're taking a full G. You see the style is mine, but can the X flow? I make your fans get wild and boo your next show. Kick it when I feel it, the X star reveal it. Don't try to be before flow, rap on no track. I give you more than some cum, I give you no slack. People know I wrecked it, that kid get the message. I drop the rhyme, aim a missile in your rectum. Yo black, go back, step back, you whack. 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 Peace, this was Caleb Ants on YouTube.